1 inch closer, we'll burn. 1 inch farther and we'll freeze. So we're probably pretty lucky being exactly where we are right now. Our beautiful Amazon forest is becoming a dry desert. Australia and California are burning. It's possible that it's too late to save our Earth and to save the animals who suffer the consequences for the carelessness of humans. According to Business Insider and Newsweek, for the Earth to recover from damage caused by humans, it'll take 10 million years. 10 million years. Well, I'm no Greta Thunberg, but I somehow need to make people understand that the world needs us. The world needs you. The summer of 2019, my family and I went to Oregon to visit family. Oregon is really beautiful, with lakes so naturally blue, trees so green. It was just breathtaking. Everything was. My cousins, my sister, and I, we went swimming at all these crystal clear lakes. They were amazing and we didn't want to leave. We had gone to about 5 lakes, which we all loved. Then one day, we went to this one lake. It was all trash. I didn't really want to go swimming there anymore. In my head, I was comparing all those beautiful, pristine lakes that we had explored to this. I dipped my toe into the smelly water, still hesitating, just doing that. My cousin and sister jumped in, and my cousin realized she had a Coca-Cola can stuck to her life jacket. I still ended up swimming because I love swimming, but it wasn't as good as the times I went swimming in clean water. But imagine how the fish were feeling. This was their habitat, and they had no way to address the issues that human created. At the end of the day, we could leave the lake and the trash in it behind. But for the fish and other animals in it, they were trapped in this filthy environment. While my experience took place at a lake in Oregon, the Earth's largest bodies of water reflect these same types of conditions. According to Business Insider, there is more than 165 million tons of plastic in the ocean, which, by the way, is 25 times heavier than the Great Pyramid of Giza. Scientists predict that by 2050, the oceans may have more plastic than fish. As stated by Nature.com, people can't keep using the ocean as a dumpster because when plastic finally breaks down, it causes trillions of plastic particles to just float around in the ocean. This causes bad effects on sea life and pollution. Also, as fish eat plankton, they are eating the plastic particles that are floating around. So if we eat the fish, we may be eating plastic. These are just a couple of reasons of what could happen to our beloved oceans. I live in the US, where many live in ignorance of the negative impact our destructive choices are having on the environment. According to MSNBC, if everyone lived in the way many environmentally unaware Americans lived, our only Earth wouldn't be enough. We would need 5 Earths to provide resources for everyone. Well, you see, my brother, along with many other Americans, use plastic bottles. According to EcoSatch, about 1,500 plastic bottles are used every single second here in the USA. I did the math, and that's 90,000 a minute, 5,400,000 an hour, which is 129,600,000 a day. You can probably see where this is going. It's heartbreaking. Now, if I use a plastic water bottle, I just keep on reusing it until I can't anymore. In the end, I can go on and on about how we are ruining the world. But rather than just complaining, I'll say what we can do. All I want is for you to help, because I know you can. An easy example is using a reusable water bottle or using a reusable bag. If the place is close, walk or bike. Carpool with a neighbor or friend, and maybe grow a green thumb. Save the animals, save us, and save the world. Thank you.